In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container house in Frankston, Texas, United States. Welcome back. This tiny house is built from an upcycled 40-foot shipping container transformed into a gorgeous retreat in a state of serenity and deep connection with nature. The front door opens into a large open-plan living space with a super cute kitchen fitted with white soft close cabinetry, open shelving, a beautiful copper steel apron front sink, and large glass window, creating a well-lit modern kitchen space. Next to the kitchen is a spacious living area with a large space to accommodate a beautiful couch with throw pillows, an electric fireplace to keep warm during colder months, and a mini split system to enhance indoor thermal comfort. There is a small custom wooden dining table that can sit 2 or 3 placed against the back wall. A barn door from the living room opens into a walk-through bathroom. The bathroom is located in between the living room and the bedroom. The bathroom has a corner shower stall, a vanity, and is well equipped with all the bathroom necessities. The bathroom on the extreme end of the shipping container is the master bedroom. The bedroom is well furnished with a king-sized bed, a mini-split system, and is fitted with adequately sized picture windows to extend the bedroom space to the outdoors, offering maximum natural lighting. On the inside, there is no presence of shipping containers. The house is framed out and all the interior walls lined with plasterboard and painted white. The house is finished with wood flooring, which gives the home a feeling of elegance and warmth. The front porch is a covered deck stretching the length of the shipping container, hence doubling the indoor living space to the outdoors. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and painted in a shade of blue, which brings out the industrial charm of the design. This amazing house is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container house appeals to the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post weekly videos on amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Feel free to check out our website sheltermode.com if you love custom shipping container home plans that you can use for your own DIY project.